Hi, I'm gonna show you how to request certificate of rating and authentication for board of rating. First, you need to go to online.prc.gov.ph, sign in to your LYRIS account. After signing in, select Transaction. Afterwards, click the Certifications button. You can choose certificate that you're looking for, but for this video we were going to select certificate of rating. Then for the profession, I select professional teacher and put your application number that is from your NOAA. For the quantity, we will select 2, and let's proceed. For this one, you will see that the certificate is 75 pesos. And since we get 2 for this video, the total amount is 150 pesos. You may select PRC offices that is located near your address. For this moment, let's have PRC Cagayan de Oro City. For this one, you will see here the scheduled date and time, and you may choose another date and time nga preferred ninyo. For this one, if you're okay with this, you may click proceed. And sa ibaba, meron tayong another mode of payments. May land bank and may PRC cashier. So for this one, we will click GCash dahil hindi po available yung PRC cashier natin. And it has an 8 pesos convenience fee. Ayan. Let's click submit. Click GCash. And then just continue. I-next nyo lang po hanggang sa matapos po ang transaction nyo. And afterwards, ganito po yung makikita nyo. Dito po, back to our home, meron po tayong existing transaction. Click this one. Tapos, we have this. Just print your document like this. And also print your EOR. For the authentication for board rating, same process, you need to select transaction. Click certifications, and you can see here authentication of board rating. Professional teacher. And for this one, we need to you may select your preferred regional office. And for this one, another 75 pesos since we get to a total of 150 pesos. In the same process, you need to click the proceed. If you do not like the scheduled date and time, you may view other dates. And in authentication, you need to bring original and your photocopy. Either of the two of them na gusto mong ipa-authenticate.